right, we're starting off with 2 jars of our Alfredo sauce in our crock pot. Next, I'm gonna add 3 large chicken breasts right into our sauce. It's gonna be super easy and delicious crock pot dinner with a healthy twist. I have 1 cup of freshly shredded mozzarella that we're gonna put right in there with our Alfredo sauce and our chicken. You can use whatever cheese you like, a white cheddar, a Swiss, whatever you like. I love mozzarella. Next, we're gonna add a couple tablespoons of garlic. I'm using garlic, but you could obviously use fresh. I just think that the taste comes a little bit more through with the garlic because it's been marinating in its own juices. All right, that looks absolutely perfect. Now, before we get this cooking, we are gonna season this up. I have my Perfect Pinch Italian seasoning. This is my favorite Italian seasoning, but you can season this however you like. All of my recipes are super customizable. I am gonna season this heavily though because those chicken breasts are pretty large and we wanna make sure that we have enough flavor going on in our dinner. Now, of course, we're gonna do some garlic powder. I know I always add too much garlic, but I love it. You guys can skip it. Perfect. And garlic powder's best friend, onion powder. This already smells so good. All I smell is garlic and cheese. Delicious. Last but not least, we're gonna do some black pepper. And we are just gonna do a good amount of black pepper. I love black pepper, so I like to go heavy-handed on there. All right, and this is ready to start cooking. I'm gonna put my lid on and we're gonna pop this on high so dinner can be ready quick. All right, it's been 3 hours on high and we're actually gonna keep it on high, but let's go ahead and check this out. Oh my goodness, my whole house smells so delicious. All right, before we continue on, I'm gonna grab my electric hand mixer and we're gonna use this to shred our chicken. So we're just gonna go right into it. And look at that. Shred your chicken so quick. All right, look at that. All of our chicken is perfectly shredded. We only made a little mess, but this is ready for our last ingredient. So normally you would add a pasta to this, but we're gonna keep it a little healthy and we're gonna add 2 bags of our frozen broccoli. Alfredo and broccoli go so well together. So this is gonna be such a delicious dinner. Low carb, tasty, even your kids will eat this. So I'm giving this a good mix, and remember we kept our heat on, but this is gonna only need to be in there for about 30 more minutes, which is why we add the broccoli in at this point. So let's go ahead and put our lid back on and let that broccoli cook. All right, you guys, that 30 minutes is up. We're gonna go ahead and turn this off and let's check it out. Woo! It's so good. I do want to know if you want a thicker sauce, use fresh broccoli instead of frozen, but look how delicious this looks. Proteins, veggie, deliciousness. This is a great dinner. Serve it with some garlic bread if you do want some carbs, but I'm gonna keep it low carb. Looks so good. That chicken is cooked perfectly. The broccoli is cooked perfectly. Cannot wait to eat this.